Hey guys, welcome to another video of Airsoft Gun India, and today we're going to show you the firing test of Dan Wesson 7-on-5 2.5 inch revolver, the BB version. This is the metal BB. ये लोहे का छर्रा है .177. This doesn't require any kind of license in India as of now. So I'm going to show you how to fire this. It is very easy to fire this. It is a full metal one. ये full metal का है and it is very rigid. So you can see this beauty looks awesome. And आपको पता है इसके दूसरे साइड पे .357 मैग्नम लिखा होता है just like real one. So this is very awesome. The weight and feel and the look is so solid. Very easy. Just pop this up and this will open up. It has inbuilt Allen key. It is full metal. So this is really a good one. So let me just unscrew it. You can see just a little bit. All I need is one CO2. This is Omer X1, and I will just keep it right here, and then all I have to do is, it is all tight, it is ready, and then just pop it back, and this is so easy, done. How to load a BB? That is very easy. All I have to do is just go like this, get the cell out. You can see the cells looks really awesome. All we have to do is pop BB in this and we are done. In a revolver you can load like 6 BBs at a time. So this is good one, 5 and 6. The 6, this looks really awesome. If you see the photograph, it will look really good. I'm gonna load this up and then we're gonna do a firing test for you guys. You're gonna love it, and we are all ready to go. Awesome. Let me show you the firing test. It's gonna be awesome. Yeah. Oh. Whoa. आई होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया, अगर आपको ये गन पसंद आया, आपसे ऑर्डर करना चाहते हैं, गो टू द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन, गो देयर, यू विल सी द प्राइस, यू कैन ऑर्डर इट राइट देयर।